Hi everybody, I've got some into resin moulds here. I'm so excited. I made an order just after Christmas. They're all handmade. This one is called Crystal Heart Hanging Resin Mould. I don't know if you can see in there, it's really shiny. Look how beautiful that is. Diamond puffy chunky pendant. I mean, I wouldn't have that round my neck, it's massive. And this one is a resin pendant mould. That's lovely. It's got like a firework detail, if you will. So I thought I would make all these in clear first. Perhaps put some of these sheets in. I might cut them up and put them in little pieces in the back. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I think that'd be quite nice. And then I'm going to do them in a colour, I think. So clear just to show you the mould when it's cast, and a colour afterwards. I'll go and mix some resin up. I haven't a clue how much they'll take. I can't imagine it's much. So I'll see you in a moment. I'm using Teexpert crystal clear resin. It's been through the debubbler and I'm just going to pour it in. I hope this is going to be alright because you can't spray these moulds with alcohol, as most of you are probably aware. Oh, I've put too much in. I want to put the film in. Let's see if I can take a bit out of there without incorporating any bubbles. Silly Billy. There we go. We'll do this one. This one is so shiny. Can't wait to see this one. I will put links for all these. I have got a discount code for Into Resin. I think it's a lovely 20%. I make a bit of commission off that with no extra charge to yourself if you want to use one. I'm going to move these to the G3, so it doesn't matter about that bit being uneven because of the bag. Oh, I made way too much resin. I shall find something else for that. The lovely squishy moulds. Now I've cut some pieces up of this and I'm just going to slot it in. I might back it with a different colour. I have left a bit of space. Try and get the same colours. This is like two different kinds of blue. How is everybody today? I hope you're all okay. I've spoke to a few of you and a few people have got problems. I wish you all the best. Nothing worse is than being stressed. Right, I'm just overlapping a few of them because they're funny shapes. I'm not bothered whether it covers the whole surface. Do want it under. Don't particularly want to incorporate a lot of bubbles, but we'll see how we do, shall we? I just want to give it a bit of something rather than just doing it clear. Not that there's anything wrong with just doing it clear. Also a bit of pink then. Right, I think that should be enough just to give it a bit of something on the other side. Right, I'm going to do the other two. I will speed you up because I'm just doing exactly the same. And I think that Mr. Editor will probably put a bit of... He's got an ASMR kit going on at the moment. Leaving all the squeaky bits in. So I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments. Right, as you can see, I cleaned around the mould. This one's a bit odd to see. I mean, my eyes are bad anyway, but even with my glasses on. But I slightly overfilled that one. It doesn't look like it is. You shouldn't really dome them because then you've got quite a bit of trimming to do afterwards, you know, when you've demoulded it. So I've tried not to dome them. Anyway, enough waffle. I will come back once these are cured and we'll go for round 2. These are ready now, still a bit warm. We'll start with this one. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. I kind of wishing I'd done one in clear as well now. That's really nice. This one in the pictures on the website, they showed it dangling in a window like a sun catcher. Oh. Right, I've over poured it, can you see? I know now. I have to under pour this mould. Oh, that's pretty. That's really nice. I wish I'd done that one in clear as well. I could be here all day just trying out different colours. Oh my god, that's taken my breath away. That has taken my breath away. Oh, I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing. Let me stand up and I'll have a look. Oh yeah. Now they did this one in 3 different sizes. I'm pretty sure this was the large one. Oh my goodness, that is magnificent. I don't mean what I've done, I mean the mould. Wow. Right. I'm going to stay for this for another hour. Just stare at it, move it round. I'm going to start on the different mica powders. Now, I've never brushed powder onto into resin mould and I don't want to start now. So I'll do that one in an alcohol ink. I think I'll do that one in clear just to see what it looks like. I said I weren't doing pinks, but they came out pink. I picked blue. They came out pink on that one. Then we've got gold and stuff. That's nice, that. Right, so I'll get some more resin mixed up and I'll pick my colours. I'm so sorry I didn't switch the camera on. Oh my goodness, the editor's gonna go mad. Silly sausage. Right, I'll show you what I used. For this one, I used Ruby Slippers from Resin Detra Supplies. That's a pigment paste for the big one. For that one, I used the Let's Resin metallic mica powder in antique gold. That's lovely. It's kind of like a floating powder. And for the little one, I've used red alcohol ink from Let's Resin. Now, there wasn't enough. I mixed it up. There wasn't enough for this one. So, I've got a bit of alcohol ink left. I'm going to pop some paste in that, I think. I can't believe I did that. I must not have switched the camera on. I wouldn't mind. The editor said to me the other night, he said, can you please have, on your sped up bits, can you like make some noises? I started laughing. What does he mean, make some noises? And he meant so he can make some ASMR like I mentioned before. I thought, oh, this is a good one. I was doing all the mixing and I thought, oh, there's some really good noises here. I didn't switch the camera on, honest to God. Right, let's get some pigment paste in this and then we can top that one up. We're not going to need a great lot. That perhaps was too much, but hey ho. I say that a lot, don't I? Hey ho. Can't sweat the small stuff, can you? Right, let's get this mixed. Well done waffling. Probably a bit more intense with there being red alcohol ink in it as well, but not a great lot I can do about it now. Oh yeah. And I was also saying this one that I made previous. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. When you put it up to the light, it shows all the pinks and the reds and the golds. Then when you pull it away from the window, it shows all the blues. It's really, really pretty. That is the prettiest mould I've had from Resin yet. Now, that one, I didn't fill all the way this time, because if you remember, it's got that on. I do have the Let's Resin sander, so I'm just going to take that off. It's really no problem. I'm going to let these cure, and we'll see what these look like. Just to recap, mica powder, pigment paste, and alcohol ink, but I decided against the shimmer in it, the dazzling diamonds, and I'll see you back in a little while. Let's have a look what these turned out like. Not so fond. Perhaps if I'd have painted it on the mould. Yeah, not so fond of that. Let's have a look at this. This is the alcohol ink. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. Yeah, I filled it up too much again. Not as much as last time. It's not a problem, I'll get that out and we'll have to drill through because there's no hole in the back. Oh, that's lovely. That is so lovely. Let's get this big one out. Ooh, nice. I mean, look at the red on that side. It's obviously changed the red. Definitely prefer that one. This one. So pretty. It's still lovely, that. Still really lovely. But I don't think I'll be using a solid colour in it. Wow, that's so lovely. Right, I will trim them all up. I've done that one. And get them ready for the final show off, if you will. Right, they're all finished now. And as you might see, I've made a clear set as well. Right, we'll have a look at these, shall we? That's just a clear one. I might back it with something else, but look at that. That's got dazzling diamonds in. That's beautiful. Not so fond of this one. I definitely picked the wrong pigment paste. I just thought red. It is a beautiful red. I mean, look at that. It's still lovely. It's still really beautiful. This one, however, oh my goodness, is absolutely glorious. And when you put it up to the light, I'll take a photo of it later, it turns pink. But there's purples and blues, green, yellow, gold in it. It's my favourite. I absolutely love that. I come in here at night, I think, I'll just have another look at it. It's very, very pretty. Not so fond of that. You can see I've put my chrome marker pen on it. That gold would have been better painting on. I think I will do next time I use it. But they are pretty. Just put jump rings in those. You can put a chain on. You can put a necklace on. And when I say a chain, I mean just a single chain to hang it in a window, perhaps. Not that one, because it won't be much of a sun catcher, will it? But that's very pretty. Like I say, not my favourite. And the clear one of that is lovely. And when you stick it, I've already stuck it up to the window. It's like a prism. It's lovely, really lovely. I'm not doing anything to that. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now these are beautiful. I love these. In the mould, I'll show you. There's like a little nub there, but it's not enough to go all the way through. So I have drilled through it, and now I realise it would have been better with a screw eyelet in there. But it is very pretty. I do like it very much. Nice when you put it up to the window. I love this one. It's all beveled and stuff there. It's like a prism prism and this was the one. I've sanded it. Oh my god, there were loads. I'd really overfilled that one. It needs a bit more sanding, but it is so pretty. Colour choice, not so wonderful. That's that film that I used from Temu. But again, I drilled through it, but it needs a screw thing. So I'm just going to show you what I would do with that. Like I say, they can go on chains. I presume they're just for decoration, paperweights. I'm just going to get my rotary tool, and where that little nub was to make a hole, I'm going to put a gem on it. I'll show you that. And we'll get just a little screw eyelet. Now normally, which one did I drill? That drill bit was a bit too big. I'll put some glue down there. Actually, I might use a bit of UV resin. I'm just sticking it down there. There we go. I'm going to stick it under the main light. And then, once that's cured, you can put anything you like on it. A key ring, a chain, and like I say, just a single chain to dangle from the window, which is, I think, what I'm going to do with it. What do you think? Aren't they fabulous moulds? I did get them with Valentine's Day in mind, and then I thought, they're into resin moulds. They're suitable for any time of the year, aren't they? I mean, they are so pretty. But for me, star of the show. What a beautiful mould. What an absolutely gorgeous mould. Now these were all in the sale. I don't know whether they still are. I did mean to check before I started filming and I forgot. I do apologise. But they were all sale items. So get yourself over, and like I say, I have a really, really nice 20% discount code. I'm really pleased with that. Like I say, I did not spend a lot as they were all sale items, didn't break the bank, and they are so beautiful. I will take some photos and I will say goodbye, and I'll see you next time. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Bye.